Keeping your car looking new is something every car owner wants. Sunlight, dust, scratches, road debris, and weather can slowly damage your car's paint. That's why many people choose paint protection options. Two of the most popular choices are paint protection film and ceramic coating. Both protect your car, but they work in very different ways. Understanding these differences can help you choose the best option for your needs and budget. Paint protection film is a thick, transparent film applied to the car's surface to protect the paint. It helps guard against scratches, stone chips, and road debris that can damage the exterior. The film is flexible and can heal small scratches when exposed to heat, such as sunlight. It is especially useful for high-impact areas like the hood, front bumper, and side mirrors. Ceramic coating is a liquid coating that bonds with the car's paint to form a protective layer. It adds a glossy finish and repels water, dirt, and dust, keeping the car cleaner for longer. This coating makes washing and maintenance easier by preventing grime from sticking to the surface. It also helps protect the paint from UV rays, oxidation, and light chemical stains. Ceramic coating enhances shine and gives the car a deep, glossy finish that makes the paint look smooth and new. It also improves color depth and adds a slick surface that reflects light well. Paint protection film offers good shine, but focuses more on protection than appearance. Its main purpose is to shield the paint from damage, especially in high-impact areas. While it keeps the surface looking clean, its priority is durability rather than extra gloss. Paint protection film installation takes more time and skill because the film must be carefully cut, aligned, and applied without bubbles or wrinkles. It is usually done by trained professionals to ensure proper coverage and a clean finish. Ceramic coating is quicker to apply since it is spread evenly over the paint and allowed to cure. The process is less complex compared to paint protection film and can often be completed in a shorter time. Paint protection film is more expensive because of the high cost of the film material and the skilled labor required for installation. The detailed application process and long-lasting protection also add to its overall price. Ceramic coating is more budget-friendly since it uses less material and takes less time to apply. It offers good protection and shine at a lower cost compared to paint protection film. If you want strong protection from scratches and rock chips, paint protection film is the better option. If you prefer high shine, easy cleaning, and lower cost, ceramic coating may suit you better.